Title of the stories. Then I will open a chat. Let's write this together. Give me the top 5. Please give me a new idea. ChatGPT will give you the top 5 and most creative ideas. These are really amazing tips. You can choose anyone you like the most. Good. Then simply type this in the chat. Please give me one of the best in this chat. BT gives you the best option. One is more likely to be viral. It also creates a complete story for you, as you can see. After it is copied, I will post it back in the chat. GPT and write, please 400 words, write a story. Then discuss GPT. You can choose a long story like 500 or 800. It depends on your preference. And once the story is set, I would write the next step command like this. Please give me 10 details. It creates the best and most detailed image questions for your story. These questions will be high quality and perfectly related to your content. Look very simple. Don't worry, when you get to 10 in questions, you only need to write this line. These 10 images are semi-realistic digital illustrations. Fire style. Then, let's include it. ChatGPT AI generates. Which is exactly what? Theme and style, and a perfect list. Discussion GPT says we'll start now. Images. For that, we use 2 websites that can generate high-quality AI images. The first website is Leonardo. Release it quickly for a quick release. And it does. It's amazing and professional. It is a fantastic website for AI image creation that is completely free to use and provides amazing results for anyone looking to create Leonardo for any type of image. And make sure you set the size. Write it in the section to 15.9 and FX 1.0. Then post your question like I will do in a moment. And after all the questions are created, look how amazing and detailed. Images. Look, it's easy to see how you can create AI using GPT discussion questions. Finally, download the images, like directly from Leonardo. Now there were AI images. Note, if you run out of credit, don't worry, we use another great website to make high-resolution images called Piclumen. It is one of the best platforms. Free of charge. Just change the end credits with your Leonardo. Fluent.com and keep creating amazing. The second website we're going to use to create AI images is called Piclumen, a really amazing and powerful AI image generator. Let's open Piclumen.com. Adjust our style. For story-based AI images. 16.9 for video format. Now copy the image request from the chat. And paste it into the request box on Pixel Perfect Results. Once you are done, your AI images will be ready on both Leonardo AI and Piclumen. You can see how amazing and detailed they look. Professional quality results. Next step. Now we create AI voices. Now, here's how to do it. Now, we create AI voices. And we do it 100% free using a tool called one of the best platforms to generate unlimited, real, AI voices, AI text messages. This tool allows you to create AI voices for free and generate AI images if you want. Tools. It gives free credits every day, so you can generate sound. If you can't find the tools at any time, comment below and I'll share the link with you. Next, copy my text from chat paper. Then, I'll choose any voice. There are many options, like and Alex, which sounds very natural. But for this demonstration, I'll just choose one to show you how it works. Click on generate and remember, you can generate up to 1000 words in a single voice. So, if your story is longer, divide it into 4 parts, generate each part separately and then combine them. And now, your AI voice is ready, and you can listen to it. That's it. One had real friends, investors encouraged him, and his parents showed interest in what he believed in. He would make it big. As it says, create videos like that for a YouTube channel. But I suggest something better. Instead of just using images, add a little AI video animation. For example, make a 2-minute AI video with smooth motion or animation. Don't just rely on still images. Include AI video clips as well. Professional AI, a website for making AI videos. You get 100 free credits when you sign up. It also gives free credits every day so you can easily create AI videos. Right now, my account shows 4,200 and more credits, because I have logged in many times for many days. That's why I can make many videos, even if I don't use it every day. The AI keeps adding credits. It made an account for me. Now, we will create an AI video on. First click create, then go to upload, and after posting the first image go to upload the first image and click generate. Your video will start playing automatically. Click on quick regeneration. It may take a while, but this way you can create 2 videos together in 10 to 15 minutes. Your AI videos will be ready and look great. You can see. Very impressive. Now let's make the final settings in Capture. Open Capture and import all your images. After adjusting the settings, select the first image and choose an animation style. Rule 1 for example. Then go to Effects and look for 3ds. Once you find it, click 1 to apply the one that looks best. Do the same for the next image. Select Animation, then go to Effects and again, apply 3D, Zoom. You can add one more image at the end to make the video smoother. In this way, add the audio track to my video. Click on Text. Then select Auto Captions to automatically generate subtitles for your audio. Once done, go to Templates. You will see different text styles. Choose one, which I use most often because it looks clean and professional. As you can see, the AI audio and captions are now perfectly synchronized. You can create a full video like this. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will bring another amazing video next time.